Good day, for this video will be the demonstration on how to use the physical count system. To begin the physical count process, you must first select a location. Once chosen, click Proceed to the physical count screen. But first, take note that when selecting a location, make sure to the location code with its corresponding company. After clicking on Proceed, it will direct you to the physical count page. You'll see the header fields for location, batch, bin, area, and rack. You must enter values to these fields to proceed with the next process. A notification will appear once the data is saved successfully. Once the fields have values already, then click on Enter to show the details fields. Before you start scanning items, take note of your location code. Some items will not be scanned because some company doesn't have that item. When scanning or entering a barcode or item code, the quantity defaults to 1. You can adjust fields by pressing Tab on your keyboard. After entering, you can proceed by clicking Enter. The item details, including item code, category, brand, descriptions, price scheme, start date, and price, will be displayed once scanned or entered. If no image is available, it will indicate no image available. The item, along with its quantity and additional details, will be added to the table. Clicking the Edit button in the table allows to edit the quantity, lot number, and its remarks if you forgot to input these details before scanning. If you entered an incorrect item, you can easily delete the item in the table by clicking the Delete button. A notification will appear after a successful deletion. Take note that, when scanning, items that are not from that company will not be scanned. An example will be shown. A notification will appear. This is because that item code or barcode doesn't belong to that company. If the item code or barcode belong to the specific company, it will scan and show its details. In addition, when you scan an item, you can see its prices below the item details. The highlighted text is the latest price of the item. If the auditor logged out and stopped the physical counting due to some reasons, they could still retrieve the items they scanned by entering the same location, batch, bin, area, and rack they used unless they clicked on the Finish Physical Count. Re-enter the location code that you previously used. Enter the header details that you used. As you can see, the last scan was retrieved using the same header details. Below the table, you'll find totals for quantity and scans per rack, area, and batch, allowing easy tracking. If finished with a specific batch, bin, area, or rack, you can change the data in those fields to proceed with another set. Once the entire physical count is completed, you can click Finish Physical Count to return to the Choose Location page.